I'm meteorologist Shay with an update on our forecast, and through the rest of the day, a nice mix of sun and clouds. There's still a slight chance we could get a pop-up shower, even an isolated thunderstorm, but most areas are not going to see any more rain after that big batch of rain that moved through this morning. So clearing skies by tonight. It's going to be dry and mild, winds out of the west at about 5 to 10. Now through the afternoon today, we will have some breezy conditions, even some wind gusts up to about 25 miles per hour, and that'll continue through sunset. And then those winds are going to be coming down gradually. So just a slight chance for the remainder of the day to see that isolated shower or thunderstorm. The weekend looks fabulous, but check out that warm up. We're right back into the mid and upper 80s both Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be hot and steamy through the afternoon. And then next week we have chances for rain off and on throughout the week, and a big frontal system on Thursday that could give us a cool down for next Friday.